Time frame. Use the 100 pips trading system only on 4HR daily time frame. Entry rules. Buy rules. Open a long position when all these conditions are satisfied. The blue line cuts above the red line of the 100 pips momentum indicator. 100 pips power indicator is blue. 100 pips 3 shows both up arrows, blue color. Sell rules. Open a short position when all these conditions are satisfied. The blue line cuts below the red line of the 100 pips momentum indicator. 100 pips power indicator is red. 100 pips trend shows both down arrows, red color. Stop loss. The stop loss value will be derived from the ATR 21 indicator. Stop loss equals 0.85x ATR. Exit. There are 2 ways to exit your trade. Use take profit level equals or 2 times of stop loss level. Exit when there are at 3 indicators showing a reversal signal. The 100 pips momentum indicator blue line cut below the red line, and at the same time, 100 pips power and 100 pips direction indicator all show a down signal. We had all the setup conditions for a short entry. So on the next candle, we entered a short position at 1.461. Stop loss. The value of ATR 21 at that time was 0.0099. Our stop loss would be 99 times 0.8584 pips above the entry point. So the stop loss was set at 1.4845. Take profit. We use the 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Our take profit will be 2x stop loss equals 168 pips below the entry point. So the take profit was set at 1.4593. Result. The trade went up strongly in our favor direction and hit the profit target. The trade was closed with 110 pips profit. The 100 pips indicator is a trend following forex and stock trading indicator developed for the MT4 platform. It applies dual moving averages to plot crossovers and transforms them into profitable buy/sell signals. Besides precise market entries, it also signals potential trade exit positions. Furthermore, indicator is a good match for MTF chart analysis, allowing you to engage in scalping and intraday trading simultaneously. However, try applying it on higher timeframes like H4 and daily charts for best results. This guide explains how to identify forex and stock buy/sell signals using the 100 pips indicator in MT4. The 100 pips indicator comprises a fast and a slow moving average, MA, for plotting the crossover signals. The fast MA appears in blue and the slow MA in red color so that you can easily distinguish the crossover patterns. The blue MA moves above the red MA, signaling a bullish crossover. Oppositely, the blue MA drops below the red MA as a bearish crossover. We'll target long when the 100 pips indicator plots a bullish crossover at the bottom of the market range. Besides, you can place buy orders during a bullish breakout while the fast MA moves above the slow MA. Conversely, activate sell orders when the fast MA drops below the slow MA and the price plots a bearish breakout or reversal pattern at the same time. For buy/sell exits, consider closing an active position when the indicator plots an opposite trend signal to your entry direction. Trading is all about probabilities. It is not about luck and it is not about chance. It is about finding repeating scenarios which point us towards the right trade direction more often than not. It could also be about finding patterns and conditions which has a relatively high degree of resulting in a trend. These are what we call high probability or high yield trade setups. There are many different trade strategies and setups that allow for either a high probability trade or a high yield trade. However, only a few could incorporate both. Momentum trade strategies are one of those that could produce both. It could yield high returns and it has a relatively high probability of success. Momentum trading is a very profitable type of trading strategy. This is because market participants often think with the crowd. Traders see prices rising, so they would also start buying, pushing price higher. If they see prices falling quickly, they would also panic and sell quickly, causing price to drop even more. Momentum market movements are very strong. It would be wise to trade with it rather than against it. Conclusion: the 100 pips indicator is a super trend following indicator for both beginners and expert traders. Its simplicity in demonstrating the crossover signals helps forex and stock trade within the correct trend direction. Apart from using it individually in MT4, it also enhances buy-sell signal accuracy when merged with trend